Startup Weekend is an event that's put on by the Kauffman Foundation. That they funded an organization called StartupWeekend.org. We're running one of there have been over 200 startup weekends run around the world. This is the first one in Delaware, and at this point we're right in the middle of the event. So we had teams last night. We had 22 individuals pitch their ideas. We narrowed those down to there are now 9 teams working on the ideas that were pitched. Teams range in size from 2 to 6, and they're in the middle of trying to validate the ideas by doing some customer development, getting out of the building, going out and talking to prospective customers about their idea to see if their product does in fact have some kind of appeal, or they're busy coding to try to create a working product concept in preparation for demo night, which is tomorrow night at 5 o'clock. Each team will have 5 minutes to provide a demonstration of what they've built over the weekend, whether it's a mobile application, a new web-based business, or something of that sort. Our participants vary widely. We have somebody actually came up from Texas to pitch an idea to build a portal to coordinate relief efforts following natural disasters. We have a student team that came up from James Madison University that pitched and are working on some ideas around an application that would allow students to upload their syllabi so that they don't miss deadlines and key due dates, and are kind of always on top of the work that they're trying to do. Somebody else that's looking at taking advantage or trying to help movie theaters that have a lot of empty seats. You know, once even a hit movie gets into its 3rd, 4th, 5th week in the theater, there are an awful lot of empty seats, and those seats are perishable. So trying to basically come up with a demand management solution that would be either a web-based business or mobile application. So it really runs the gamut. Somebody working on a service for people with MS to try to share their experiences in doing physical therapy with their family and close friends, so that they're not alone in their efforts to do the exercises that they need to do. So really a wide range of both participants and ideas that are being worked. Tomorrow night, 5 minutes to present. Thereafter, the hope is that people will have made lasting connections while they're here. Hopefully some of the better ideas will turn into incorporated businesses and move forward. And the prizes that we have are all around trying to help the teams embark on that journey. We have some sponsors that have provided legal services, space in a virtual incubator, help with preparing their pitch to seek some angel or venture capital investment. So that's really the next step, is trying to continue that momentum. And we're considering trying to fund some of them to go to additional events like Lean Startup Machine, to further validate their concept and really continue to push it forward. The basic idea, getting a bunch of people together to pitch ideas and work in teams to create new connections, to really create some innovative new business concepts. That's certainly something we want to go forward with. Whether or not it falls under the Startup Weekend umbrella per se, that's another question. But definitely this kind of event is something that we want to do. We want to incorporate also some of the more educational oriented events like Lean Startup Machine, that focuses on teaching people the customer development process along with working on their idea. This is exactly the kind of thing we want to continue to see here in Delaware.